Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can remove shadow on Canva. So guys, basically Canva have a AI tool. You can remove this shadow as you can see here on from this image. So guys, open any image you want to remove shadow on Canva and click on image and click this option edit. After that, click you have here Magic Studio, guys, and you have this option. You will use this magic grab option. Click this option, guys, and as you can see here, guys, you have two option here, brush and click. For example, I want to choose brush, and the size this brush I want to do remove. For example, this one and this one. As you can see here, guys, I will remove the shadow this from this photo, and I will select this element object and this image from this image. And be careful, guys, when you select the image and make you have a good choice and to remove this one, as you can see here. And I will remove this part from this fourth picture. And what you have to do, guys, just click grab here and you will remove this shadow successfully from this image. And as you can see here, I remove successfully without any problem. I hope this video helpful for you guys. See you on another video soon.